So Brian, we're going to the tram.
No, it's sold out. We gotta go tomorrow.
So what are we gonna do?
I don't know. Jordan's gonna figure it out.
So Jordan, if we don't have fun tonight, you do realize your job is on the line.
This is gonna be the last time I'm in a video.
Hello and welcome to tonight's show.
Find something fun, Jordan. All right, so we just parked. Now we're just walking around. Brian told Jordan that he had to find us something fun to do. Good luck, Jordan.
I'm legitimately gonna judge him based on what he picks.
We're following you, Jordan.
I know something. It's like Monopoly.
What are we doing, Jordan?
That's the question.
That is a question without an answer.
You know, I'm not saying that I wish Kim or Bree were here.
You're saying it.
I'm just saying that they would be doing a little better job of this support.
Oh, Jordan, I believe in you still.
You don't judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree.
So adorable. Oh, yeah, absolutely not.
We could get old-time portraits.
Can we please?
No yet.
About that, Jordan, can we ride that?
Search found just about nothing.
Our boss is wandering that direction. God bless America. Well, that place is closed too, but we're having fun just wandering around. Jordan found puppies. Taffy's cool. Jordan, did you see the taffy? The taffy's cool.
I did see that.
Jordan, we got 10% off. 10% off coupon for ice cream. Can we please?
Can go a long way. Jordan hasn't made a decision. We're literally waiting on him.
Jordan, at what point are you gonna tell Brian to find his own fun and to stop bugging you?
The moment he decides that he no longer wants a paycheck.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all the cool. Oh, that is fun. Jordan, you found a fun place.
That's a helmet of the Stanley King. That's his helmet. Matt Damon wore that in the Odyssey. No.
I think Viggo Mortensen.
Bernard Hill.
Oh yeah, duh, Bernard Hill. This is a cool place.
Where are you located?
All right. Oh, we even got a karaoke going on.
Is it open?
Looks like it. If we don't come out in 20 minutes, send help. Turns out, Jordan found the fun. How's it feel, Jordan, to find the fun?
Feels fun.
Live music, hidden entrance.
We're in a cave.
We're in a cave.
Who knows where this night will end?
1 hour later.
We found more fun. Look, it's Monaco.
Hey guys!
Hey, and Logan.
Hey guys, thank you so much for being a part of AiCE. We love you.
Yeah.
We cherish everything, all your contributions. Thank you so much.
A few moments later.
Well, we just spent some time with Logan in Monaco. So, Jordan, I think we can officially say that you found the fun.
We found it. We found the fun. It found us, rather.
What do you think the main, criteria for finding fun is, now that you're an expert?
It's not a place, it's a people. You gotta find the people and then bring them to you.
Very good. Pin is kind of fun. It's a fidget spinner. This is fun. Every time.